How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I am going to do a chest workout, no equipment needed. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So we're going to do the exercises right now. First one that we're going to do is going to be a shoulder tap exercise. So we'll get started right now. What you're going to do is you're gonna do one push-up, then you're gonna touch your shoulder. So I'll show you exactly what I mean. And again, it will be a little bit of a workout. It is a workout. So let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. 20-second break. Again, these breaks are not going to be very long at all. So we're going to take a quick 20-second break, and then I'm going to show you a jumping push-up, which is going to be quite difficult as well. So again, this is going to be a pretty tricky workout, but you can do it. We can get it. And yeah, so let's go. Jumping push-up. You don't have to jump super high, just a little bit off the ground. So I'll show you what I mean. So you can get into your push-up position so you can see my hands. Oh, okay. 10 reps. And again, you can see how intense that is. That's actually very, very intense. A lot of people, when they do this exercise, they try to just push off as high as possible. You just need a little bit off the ground. You're trying to get that explosiveness off the ground. That's what's gonna help build a nice big chest. Okay, again, 20-second break, so we're almost done. The break, and then we're gonna do a crawl push-up. A crawl push-up basically consists of doing like a wide grip push-up and then a close grip push-up. So I'll show you exactly what I mean by doing a crawl push-up. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have your hands like this, normal push-up position. And once you do the first push-up, you're gonna move your hand farther, do a wide grip. Then you're gonna move it again, close grip. Wide grip, come back, do a close grip. Wide grip, and then come back, do a close grip. Okay, just like that, you guys. Get another 20-second break. And 3 great exercises. I love incorporating these. You're gonna see some huge results by doing this. So we'll 20-second break, and then we're gonna do the one arm push-ups again, you guys. And again, I love doing these one arms. Very, very good. Puts a lot of overload on your chest muscles. So let's do the one arm push-up again. So perfect. Take a little bit of a break. 20-second break, and then we're gonna do the jumping push-ups again, you guys. So really, really good. You guys can see my chest is starting to get really, really pumped up from doing this. And you can even see the abs are also getting worked out a little bit as well too. So that's always good. So we're gonna do it again. We're gonna do jumping push-ups. So right now, 10, try to get 10 if you can. Again, pretty tricky to do. I'm gonna lower this more so you can actually see how high. I'm not going very high off the ground, but you don't need to. Just like that. Whew. Okay. That is the workout, you guys. I'm actually gonna come up here and just talk to you really quickly. So again, very, very tough. Got me a great chest pump, you guys. So really, really good. One thing I want to talk to you about before I end this video, again, pretty short, just about 40 seconds, is your diet is so important when doing this. Again, tough workout, I can barely breathe right now. Diet is so important. I myself, I have started cutting weight. I started about 201 pounds down to 188. So I've dropped 13 pounds in about a month. I am gonna do this for another 2 months, probably get down to about 175, 170 or so. And again, if you really want a big chest, if you want your definition to see more in your chest, then you need to get on a good diet and possibly cut back on the calories a little bit and get into a caloric deficit. So that's gonna be super important as well. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.